Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a monochromatic makeup look. I am trying out the Haus Lab by Lady Gaga again. I did go get a new one. Like, if you don't know the reason why, check out one of my previous videos trying out that concealer. And we are trying the shade Terracotta from Merit Flush Balms. They brought the shade back. This shade was just a limited edition shade, but it had demand. They wanted it back. So we are going to try this shade out and create a monochromatic makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of that, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start off with my Makeup Forever Super Boost in the shade 5, and this is a beautiful skin tint that just gives you that natural glow, a natural finish, but just this light kind of radiance to the skin. So it is a little bit more sheer, but you can build it up, and I just think it gives like a filter over the skin. It's so pretty. It doesn't even look like you're wearing any makeup at all. So we're just gonna blend that over the skin. It has a really nice floral vanilla scent to it, almost like a sweet floral. So if you're not into scents in your foundation and your makeup, that is something to be aware of. But it's just so light on the skin, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all. For a little bit of contour, I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick, and this is in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to create some circular motions right around the beginning, underneath part of my cheekbone, if that made any sense. Just right at the top of my ear, and going down in a diagonal motion towards the underside of my cheek, and that's just gonna give you a nice, soft, chiseled look. And it really shapes out the apples of the cheek well, if you want to have some fullness there for your blush and bronzer. Some of my bronzing balm from Merit Beauty, and just pop that right on top of the cheekbone, and then in the middle of the forehead to give color, and down my neck, and we'll blend that out. And if you keep it to the outside, again, you leave a nice open space for if you want to use some powder bronzer, some like shimmery powder bronzer, or your blush. So keeping everything to the outside and leaving the middle part of the face bright is also very flattering. I went back to Sephora and I exchanged my concealer from Haus Labs by Lady Gaga, the one that broke while I was trying to do a review on it. And I also ended up changing my shade from 21 light medium to 21 light medium neutral to 21 light medium golden. I just found it a little bit too bright, but trying this out yesterday, I'm like, oh, maybe I should have stuck with the brighter one. But I don't mind that it is a little bit warmer, because it does contrast those cool tones a lot better. And this is what the wand looks like. So it's a nice flat big applicator. I think the issue here is this applicator is really big, and like when you're pulling it out, you can feel the resistance on it. Even when you're pushing it back into the bottle, there is like resistance, and it kind of like doesn't fit really well. So I can see how these kind of would wear out as well. So okay, let's apply some to the inner corner and a little bit on my blemish. But like I said, this is really creamy. It feels light on the skin. It gives you great coverage. It doesn't really settle in to your lines. It's buildable. And yeah, that warmth in the concealer does really neutralize the cooler tones that I have, but then still kind of looks skin-like as well. I'm gonna take my complexion perfecting stick from Merit and just go down the bridge of my nose. Add a little bit of highlight there. Before we get into trying out the Terracotta Flesh Balm, I'm going to show you a couple new things from Merit Beauty. So this is the Completed Work Compact. So this is a limited edition compact mirror inspired by Merit and Completed Work jewelry collaboration. This is very weighted. This is very beautiful. It would look really pretty on your makeup table as like a decoration. Like, it is so beautiful. It is just like a little piece of artwork. You gotta be careful with it because it's very heavy, but really beautiful. Compact mirror, so if you want to carry that around with you, it's very chic and pretty. So that is new. As well as the travel size of the Retrospect fragrance. I can smell it through here, so it's a soft, florally warm musk. It's light, but it's also deep. It's very nostalgic. It has just this timeless smell to it. It just reminds me of like the 90s, but also modern. It is so, so pretty. It lasts beautifully throughout the day, and now there is the perfect travel size to bring with you in your purse or on vacation if you are traveling. But yeah, this one, oh, it's so heavenly. I absolutely love it. So check those out. I will put a link to the Merit Beauty website in the description box. All right, let's try out the shade Terracotta from the Flesh Balms. I'm so excited to try this one out. This is the only shade I haven't tried out, and they had to bring this one back because it was just so requested that they bring this shade back. So I'm so excited to try this out. The Flesh Balms are a beautiful cream tint. They give you that lit from within glow and just last beautifully all day. They kind of start out creamy and then have a satin matte finish to them. But yeah, they are so beautiful. One of my favorites from Merit Beauty is their Flesh Balm. So how beautiful is that? Oh, I'm so excited to try this. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger and just warm up the product and then blend that out on the cheek. Oh, heavenly. I absolutely adore the Flesh Balms. I was talking, well, me and my bestie were doing each other's makeup yesterday, which was like the funnest thing ever. I felt like I was a teenager again, but we were using the Flesh Balms, and she said like it is the staple product in your makeup routine that just pulls it all together, and it really is. It is that product that you can put on and be like, okay, this is the look. Can't wait to show you guys away from the ring light. I'm kind of getting some weird lighting going in from the clouds outside, but we're gonna take you guys away from the ring light and show you. And yeah, okay. No wonder they wanted this back. Like, it's so beautiful. So I just lined my lips. Now I'm gonna put some of this on my lips as well to give that monochromatic look. If there is 2 Flesh Balm colors that you need in your collection, it is Beverly Hills and it is Terracotta. And get it before like they decide that, okay, we're taking this away again. Because this is a stunning color, and I'm putting it up on the eye as well to create that monochromatic look. The Flesh Balms can go anywhere on your face. Okay, this shade is to die for. So I just put on some mascara to finish it off. Let's get away from this lighting because I want to show you guys how good this looks in the natural light. All right, this is the final look using the shade Terracotta from Merit, the Flush Balms. These Flush Balms are perfection, and this shade is perfection. Like I said, if there is a shade that you need, it is this one, and it is Beverly Hills. These two colors are just, oh no, that's not it. They're just the perfect neutral. So this one is a little bit more pink, but you could wear it all over the face as well. And yeah, these two are perfection. Anything from Merit Beauty you will not be disappointed with. The section at Sephora is getting bigger, which is so cool to see. I have loved everything I've ever tried from Merit. I use the product daily. It is just a wonderful, wonderful product line. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.